Good evening! There is definitely time for an evening skincare routine tutorial. This autumn I decided to upgrade my skincare routine with retinol for a few months. I'm starting with 0.5% and I will turn into 1% after around 2 weeks. And immediately we'll go to double cleansing. I'm double cleansing with oil cleanser and then with cream cleanser. First we'll go with the oil cleanser. Around 1 pump is enough. I'm just massaging it into my skin. I'm removing my fake lashes from that makeup and just massaging the product in my skin and eyelids. Oil cleansers in an amazing way are melting different layers of makeup. They are very good for eyeshadows, mascaras, lip glosses, lipsticks, etc. Don't forget about cleansing your whole jaw up till neck if you put makeup there. And to have smaller carbon footprint, I'm using reusable microfiber gloves for a makeup reduction. I have to say they are working perfectly, and now I will repeat this process with cleansing gel. After that, I'm drying my face with towel, and now we will go to the moisturizing part. I'm using CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's really deep moisturizing cream, actually for face and body. I found it really good. I don't use a big amount. I'm just putting it on my skin, spreading it all across, also on my eyelids, also on my forehead, jaw, and possibly neck. I'm putting moisturizer first just to secure that I have good hydration before I put retinol, and moisturizing ingredients are dried out. So I'm waiting 15-30 seconds just to secure all the ingredients and cream was well absorbed to the skin. And now it's time for retinol. I will use 0.5%, around half of a pump. I'm spreading it gently across my face. I'm very gentle with eye area. You don't want retinol to get in your eyes. It will create irritation and some burning. So just be careful when you're working around the eyelids, around the eyes. After massaging it for around 1 minute into the skin, I have to say I don't have much of an irritation. My skin is very radiant, feel really well moisturized, but of course during this process you might expect a little bit of irritation, also dryness. And by the way, if you want to learn more about retinol, make sure that you watch my previous video. I will put the card above where I'm explaining what is retinol and what it can give to your skin. As you can see, my skin is quite radiant, doesn't have much irritation. I am experiencing peeling of the skin, which is precisely the process you want to achieve. You are evening the skin tone, you are reducing visibility of small wrinkles and fine lines. Retinol is keratolytic, so this is exactly the job it has to do. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. And if you are a skincare geek like me, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy skincare together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!